Hello, our lovely art students. Today I'm going to do a demonstration of drawing a Coke can. So what I've got here is one that I've actually spent quite a bit of time on, probably about an hour, hour and a half drawing this one. But I'm going to go through the first stages of it. So we're working from direct observation, the can in front of me, and doing a viewpoint looking down at it. So I can see the top and the sides. So the first thing is to plot it out, and I want to make it so it fills the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start from the top corner, and I'm just going to do a diagonal line going in a little bit, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side like that. And then I want to show this shape here. So we'll call that's an ellipse, that is. So I need to try and plot that in. And so the highest point I'm just going to have just inside from the edge of the paper there, something like that. And then I'm going to kind of curve that round. So really an ellipse is like an oval. And I'm going to draw it a few times, and really your brain will decide which is the right line. So rather than worrying about getting it perfect straight off, just think I'm just doing it rough, light lines. And then the bottom of it, bottom of the can, that actually is more of a dramatic curve, because that, although it's still a circle, because it's further away from my viewpoint, so it's more dramatic. Something like that. Now looking at that, I feel that I might need to make this bit come out a little bit more, which is good anyway. I feel it'll make the drawing even bigger. So something like that. And I'm just checking, does it look like the shape and the form of what I'm working from, that Coke can? There we go. So then I can start to add in the main, I suppose, surface decoration, as in the lettering. So I might just think what's in the middle here, in that red section. I can see like a little kind of dash between the A of the Coca and the C of the cola. And so I'm just really going to roughly plot that out. Now it's kind of bold lettering, but you could just literally do it as a single line at this moment in time, just until you're happy with the positioning of things. But this is all light lines. I won't even rub anything out actually. So something like that. And then you've got this section here that's black, so I need to add in another curve, which is another ellipse, isn't it? So that's all good because it's reinforcing the illusion of form in your drawing. So I guess next thing, add in that ring pull. So think, well, there is a little rivet or something in the middle that keeps on the ring pull. So if I think, right, this is the widest point of this ellipse, and I can do a little line across there, and then I could think the center of it, so I've found the middle like that, and then I can sort of build out the rest of that ring pull. That's the little bit you grab onto and then pull, and then this is the hole, isn't it? So we're going to add that bit in there, and then there's this shape around it. And I've got 0 sugar, no calories. So from where I'm looking, I've got the S in the middle. So rather than working left to right, work from middle or the edges towards the middle. Don't just write in the order if you were writing it down, because you're drawing letters now. So the S is there, and I could even put the L for the calories, because I can see that beneath. Maybe we'll continue. The U, and you're trying to get the angle of the letter like that, and there's a little gap, and then the O, so I'm writing backwards. There you go. And I can see the N of the no is kind of beneath the Z. And I had that L, didn't I? A, C, and these are kind of really quite squished because of the perspective and the foreshortening. Now that S should really be a bit more that way, so I'm going to just shift that along. That's okay. All right, so I can actually see, which I didn't do in the other drawing there, but I can see the reflection of the paper like that. You can see, so I'm drawing that in. So I might need to move that O down of the cola, shift that down a little bit, and maybe I can start to make the lettering a bit bolder now. And I need to show that maybe with a bit of shading, so a bit of hatching. Oh, there's the what is it, nutritional information or something down there. I don't know, I don't drink it. I drink water or coffee. Oh, and we got this bit under the A that comes from the C, I think. So I need to add that in. This sort of swish. It's really lovely lettering of the Coca-Cola logo. That's kind of like the nicest bit to draw possibly of this task today. And the A, like that. So yeah, you're getting some bold letters going on there. So this on the sugar, so that's white lettering on black. So I need to work onto that a little bit to show you. So making the S bolder, thickening up the line, and then some hatching. And I've got the zero, the O of the zero. And then tonally I can make it darker by turning it into cross hatching. So you could do all this before you add colour. I mean, it might be that you might just use line and then go on to colour. That could work as well. So there you go. There's quite a challenge, like I probably spent quite a lot of time on this drawing on trying to make this look metallic. I'm not sure exactly how successful I've been, but I did spend quite a lot of time looking at that on here. So here you've got some real highlights and then some shadow areas. So you're going to need to really observe that carefully to try and create a metallic look. So hatching, maybe stronger lines, cross hatching, to try and get that contrast. And you know, you might revisit the ellipse shape if it isn't quite right. Add in some darker tone, just make it a bit more dramatic. I mean, on the bottom here, I've got a bit of drop shadow I can add, can't I? Okay, so I'm not going to go through the whole process from getting from something like that to that, but you can see, there you go. So that's your challenge. good luck with it, and can't wait to see your wonderful drawings from direct observation of a Coke can, or it could even be a different make, couldn't it? You might find another design you might want to do. Good luck. Thank you.